As human beings, we desire to experience unity and at the same time be original and different. At times, these desires seem contradictory. It is beautiful that in our relation with God, we can remain ourselves, be original and unique. He invites us to create or deepen unity through our originality. The true self in unity with God always comes from within the heart. Unity is a gift of the Holy Spirit. However, to strive for unity is a basic missionary attitude in living out the Church's mission.